Hi friends, welcome back to your channel Saidekar. In this I'm going to compare the default PUBG graphics comparison between the POCO X3 Pro versus Realme GT Mastered Edition. This is a PUBG version which is a 1.7.0. Yes friends, I did install the PUBG version 1.7.0 in between these both phones. Right now I'll try to show you what will be the default graphics you can actually get in these both devices, as you can see. And the POCO X3 Pro has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset, and the Realme GT Master Edition has got the Snapdragon 778G processor. Let's see how much difference it's gonna be there between this both processors while playing the PUBG 1.7.0. So this is what the video is about. And in case if you're looking for other videos, make sure to check out my recently uploaded videos on the PUBG 1.7 version. I did do plenty of videos as well regarding comparison with other phones. So how is the graphics updated in the other phones? So you'll be able to understand better. And right now we'll be taking a look at the default graphic settings between these both phones, PUBG Mobile, and you can clearly see 1.7.0 version which is mentioned. And right now the Realme GT Master Edition did open PUBG Mobile first, and let's go to the settings option to show you the graphics. And here we go. So we just got the smooth and extreme graphics and balanced and ultra graphics, HD and Ultra, HDR and Ultra HD is not supported at this moment. Unfortunately, there is nothing much change in the graphics in the Realme GT Master Edition. So there is no 60 FPS option, 90 FPS option, and there is no 60 FPS while using HDR. If you want 60 FPS, you need to use only smooth and extreme settings in this device. So that's something. And let's move to the POCO X3 Pro device. In the POCO X3 Pro, let me show you what is the settings available. You're going to click everything. So let's go to the settings option and open the graphics, and right now you'll be able to see smooth and extreme, balanced and extreme, HD and extreme, HDR and extreme, Ultra, HD and Ultra is also available. As you can see from the difference between this both regarding the optimization of this PUBG game. So you'll be able to play with the highest graphics, but except 90 FPS, all the graphic settings has been unlocked in the POCO X3 Pro. UHD of course is not available, but Ultra HD and HD is also available. That's kind of fantastic. So this is a quick comparison friends between both phones regarding the default PUBG graphic settings, which is 1.7.0. So very soon we're going to see the Battlegrounds mobile game also getting the update of 1.7.0. Hopefully maybe this similar kind of graphics will be also present in the Battlegrounds mobile game. There should not be any kind of difference anyway. So that's what happened with the previous updates, but this time also we are thinking the same thing. So PUBG 1.7, whatever the graphics we do have, same thing will be reflected in the Battlegrounds mobile game 1.7 as well. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And this is a quick comparison, and that's what I thought of showing you for you all. In case if you're looking for the graphics, 778G processor and Snapdragon 860 chipset. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.